I deleted South Shark out. I deactivated my account.
Peace out.
Hello. Hello guys.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Baliktad.
Wait, Giselle.
Okay.
Wait,
Hello again. It's Sophia there. And then Giselle.
Say hi to Chanel.
A Mexican.
Chanel watches this YouTube video. Hi, Chanel. Tito, you're so funny.
Ikaw na magkawa.
We're in the car wash. Vlogging with Denaya, Sophia, and Giselle 101. So, whoa.
We're making a collab.
Actually, your camera doesn't look though. Here. Like, well, Denaya's never been in a car wash before. Tita Del, what are you doing?
Record the colors.
The colors.
Yeah.
Guys, I literally have so much fun with Tita Del. Like, so much fun.
Pinost mo na yung ano mo. Yung driving mo kahapon.
You posted it? Oh yeah.
Ikaw?
I posted it.
Oh.
They should I should drive for y'all. Oh my god. Cool, right? This part is the one that makes
going around.
Yeah. That scared me.
I felt like cause the other one was when.
Maghanap lang ako ng shorts ko.
Oh no, it is. It's working.
Yeah. Colorful soap.
You can really like feel it against the
Yeah.
window.
Denaya, you're not even looking at the video of the vlog.
I don't.
Rinsing.
You better be wearing your seatbelts because last time my cousins didn't wear their seatbelts and he couldn't post it. And
Yeah, then I blog and then I realized I cannot post it because
ew, why is it yellow?
That doesn't look okay.
Tito, stop.
Police will come.
Stop now.
Police will come to my house and then, hey. Hello! What's up? What's up? Mga kawangis, kumusta? Okay, today, ako ay magiging driver, photographer, kuya, uncle. Ayan. At ipapasyal ko yung dalawang kaklase ni Danaya, ni Mimitong. Ipapasyal ko silang tatlo sabihin ko sana yan. Bibili daw sila sa may Valley Village tapos mag-ice cream sila. Mainit kasi. Ayun, ibibigay ko lang yung yung time ko kasi napagod ako kanina sa pinuntan kami. So ayun nga para makapasyal naman tong mga to. Mga kabataan kung saan nila gusto at may bibilin din naman ako sa Valley Village. Hindi lang naman sila ang bibili, ako din. So let's go. So yan nga si Sophia dito tapos si Giselle yan. Na namin sila. I mean papasyal namin kayo dun sa Valley Village. Kung ano pwedeng mabili. Bibili lang ako ng actually shorts. Kasi wala na akong tsaka kung may slipper doon, chinelas or sandals. Yun. Humindo lang kami dito kasi naiihi daw yung Mexicana, si Giselle. Yeah. Yung dalawang yon, hindi sila marunong magtagalog. So, si Sophia, Pilipino siya, born here. Hindi siya marunong magtagalog, pero nakakaintindi siya. Si Giselle naman, hindi rin siyempre. Pero nagpa-practice siya ng magtagalog. Paunti-unti. Ayun. So, syempre mapapalaban tayo sa Inglesan na ito. Ayun, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Bibidyo ko yung papakita ko sa inyo yung mga importanteng mga happenings today. Okay. So, dito tayo ngayon. Inopen ko lang yung bintana namin. Ayun sila, umihilang sila. Hello. Nakiihi eh. So, inopen ko lang bintana kasi hindi pa tuyo yung kanina. Yung pinang car wash namin kanina. Kasi pagka naulan, magda-dots yung useless. Hello.
Hello. So we're at volleyball. Oh, I didn't listen to the
What?
vacation. We're at Valley Village and we're thrifting.
Bibili din tayo ng ng shorts. Sana. So, ladies. Yeah. Maluwang ito. Maluwang ito hanggang doon. So dito lang yung ladies. Dito ako sa men's. Siyempre. Ayan, may mga shoes. May mga saan yung pants? Saan yung pants? Shorts. Wala, men. Bakit ganun? Okay. Dito pala. Yung mga caps din, oh. Yung mga pangit eh. Ba't pangit? Yung mga nakita ko dito mga ganda eh. Yung pang lang, pang bahay-bahay lang, yun yung gusto ko. Okay, patayin ko muna to. Saka ko na lang kung anong nakuha ko. Okay.
It's nice.
Ito mga napili nila, oh. Naalala ko yung best friend ko sa Pilipinas. Kung nanonood ka, best friend Irene, ito, oh. Ganito yung mga ginagawa mo dati, oh. Bag na made of pants. Ito mga napili nila.
This is cute.
Oh, may pangalan
It's like
pa.
vintage.
Kaya lang, 11.49 na siya. Wala bang sale ngayon?
Oh, you could sign up for their membership. I get a...
Dapat inahin natin si Tita Puri.
Yeah, she's gonna like it. Are you done?
No, I'm waiting to move it to another side. So you don't like it.
know, but just like imagine.
Napili ni Sophia yun. Kung saan niya nakuha. Ano? Ganda na rin oh. Ito may pangalan.
Why is it so over?
$4.99.
I'm the only one that finds these prices really overpriced. They're like,
Ito yung ang tatak pala nito, men. Ito yung paboritong puntahan ng ano, magkasintahan sa ano, sa Pilipinas. Sogo.
guys, just go wherever you want. No. Why does it take so long to?
Like I'm gonna take such a long time.
Honestly, I'm just. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought the water bottle came when I feel like this.
Ang ganda sana to, pati tela oh. Kaya lang ang ano niya is
I remember at school here in
tatak siya ng ano siya ng company. Tapos maganda rin presyo, $5.49 oh. So sakto lang siya.
So I grabbed the chairs and I just like my kid for a while and then I put one something. Yeah. I'm so used to being like this. So I know what to do. You know, you never wanna.
Ito mitong. Check mo nga. Gusto mo? Pangit?
This. The color's too bright.
Do you have brother or sister here?
Me?
Mhm.
I'm the only child.
It's like
Oh, the
Yeah.
unika
No!
Unika
My
iha.
dad's girlfriend is pregnant.
yeah.
Ah,
So yeah, I'm not gonna be the only child.
No.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Anti-social club? What is that? What does that mean?
She told me.
But $16 for just that though.
Well, it's like
Yeah.
expensive brand.
It's like hygiene.
I think that's
Yeah.
Naiwanan ko na yung aking bucket. So, yun lang ang bibilin ko. Ay, so papakita ko na sa inyo, no? So, ito. 1. Eh, not bad. Not bad. Pakita ko na sa inyo. 1. Tapos, wow! Nahulog yung presyo naman. Saan yung presyo na? Yung. Not bad. Not bad, diba? Siyempre, not bad. Kasi pinili ko eh. Kaya not bad. Yun. Ito. Ba't pumipili siya dito? Pinipiliin niya yata yung ano ng boyfriend niya. Pinipiliin niya yata yung boyfriend niya. So ito, mga pantalon naman. Kenneth Cole Reaction. $15.49. Naka-yellow tag itong mga to. Oh. So ano ito? Kirk. Hindi ko type. North Jeans. $13.99. May tag-tag pa. Bago to ah. Okay, balikan na lang natin. Sana wala akong mapili man. So, kung kung ano lang yung naiisip kong bilhin, yun lang. Focus lang kasi ako eh. Maliban lang kung talagang kailangan na maalala ko na kailangan ko pala to. Yun, di ba? Ganun tayo, di ba?
Tita, I'm at the jeans.
Ang dami naman yan. Ang dami naman yan. Ba't ang dami mong bibilin?
No, I'm gonna try it out.
Oo.